Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. You can see with our key fob I can operate both power sliding doors and the trunk latch. It's got a brand new conversion. This is not one of those conversions that's been beat up and used up, and brand new conversion. Comes with the doors are separate from the ramp. And what I like about this, like the Braun, they'll tie the door into the ramp. It's a long story. When something goes bad, they got a computer back there. Only people $120 an hour Braun dealers can work on them. It's a huge money. It's just a money pit. With our conversion here, if the door goes bad, you know it's Dodge. The ramp is separate. So if the ramp goes bad, it's like a $100 winch motor. Anyone can order it. You don't have to take it to a dealer. You can. Your mechanic can order it. So look, I just push it down here. Much more simple way of doing things. Much more affordable. 29.5-inch wide ramp. It's got the slip resistant on there. Look at all this brand new conversion here. Got your tie down points, leather seats. We do give a free set of pull tight Q-straight tie downs away with each van. Got a removable passenger seat, so you could put a chair up there. You could even put one back here, so you could get two in here at a time. Headliner looks great. This van looks amazing. It's beautiful. Got the power doors on it. If you want to turn those off, you can hit the off button. They become manual doors. Very easy to do. The dash looks to be in great shape. Got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, auxiliary port there. You got your, can sync your phone to this. Cup holders. Got your plugs down in there for all your electronics. So real nice, real clean. When it's time to put the ramp back up, and you've also got remotes there to operate the ramp as well. Just got to hold it up. But like I said, this is a much more affordable way to maintain these. If something goes wrong, you can take this to any mechanic you want. They've made them simple. Braun made them very complicated. Companies like Braun on purpose, so you can't fix them. So no mechanic can fix them. Walk around to the van. Michelin tires, between 7 and 8 30 seconds on all the tires. They are matching. So a great brand with a lot of tread left on the tires. They're not quite brand new, but they're not far from it. Very clean vehicle. Hard to find a dent or scratch on this thing. I'm not saying it's perfect, but I'm saying for a 2017, you are not going to find much cleaner. We're very picky in what we purchase. We're very picky in what we put on our lot. Inside the van, we always show you the VIN number. That way you know I have this vehicle in my possession. I'm not pulling some internet scam. Speaking of that VIN number, we do a free Carfax with every one of our vehicles. You can see this Carfax shows one owner, regular oil changes. I'm going to show you that minor damage here in just a minute. Shows Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. No total losses, no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer checks out good. No accidents or damage. As far as the vehicle, you can scroll down, check out this Carfax. You can see it's had regular maintenance, regular oil changes. It does show in February of 2020 damage to rear. Carfax says minor. Minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches onto the vehicle body. So not an accident. Probably someone backed into them in a parking lot, or maybe they backed into a pole or something. So, you know, maybe the rear bumper was painted at one time, but this was not an accident. This was not a flood. It was minor damage. So we go the extra mile so you can see exactly what you're getting on these Carfaxes. Another great feature on this van, you got the remote start. And don't think that's just a wintertime thing. Of course, in the wintertime, it's nice to come out to a nice defrosted vehicle. But I tell you what, in the summertime, days like today when it's over 100 degrees, it's really nice to come out to these leather seats, nice and cool by the air conditioning. Heck yeah. We've got one key with this van. We can get additional keys made on your dime. They're usually $199. So let us know if you want one of those. When I go to turn the van on, no check engine lights, no airbag, no ABS, there's no dummy lights. So that's great. You can see the current miles, 32,840. Okay, as far as the rest of the interior of the van, got a powered driver's seat. Everything works on the seat. Got these leather seats with the cloth insert in the middle. Very clean. I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors like pet odors in this van, nothing like that. Show you this angle over here, and it has the little firewall here, and I like this. Yeah, you got to step over it if you want to come in this side, but you know what this is? It's a great safety feature. If someone comes up here in a power chair or a wheelchair and you've got both doors open, and you don't have that firewall there, I've seen it. I've seen chairs roll right out that side there. They can land on top of the person, breaking bones, possibly, seriously injuring them. That is a great safety feature to have. That's why I love this conversion. That's why I love those firewalls there. Got your cigarette lighter plug back there for any electronics or anything back here. So I want to show you a little more of the interior. Underneath the hood, got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. That's your emissions control sticker right there. The engine idles smoothly, everything sounds good, it looks good. Underneath the van, much of the same. No signs of any frame damage, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any rust like it's been in a flood or anything like that, so everything looks good. And you know, that's the #1 mistake people make when buying a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume because they think it's a good price. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's that the transmission works. They assume it's not all rusted out. And I want you to go to our competition's website. That's right. I am sending you to the competition. Go ahead. Do it. Look at their pictures. Do they show the undercarriage of a vehicle? Look how clean that is. This is not some rust bucket someone bought from New York or the East Coast and threw it online and didn't take any pictures of the undercarriage. This is a very nice, super clean vehicle that's been well taken care of. So if you assume things and the vehicle shows up and it's not what you were expecting, or it's got a big dent in it, or transmission slipping, and you didn't demand a detailed video, you only got yourself to blame. I've been doing this 10 years. I know 80% of the time in the car business, people aren't being completely honest, and that's unfortunate, but I can't control what they do. I can only control what I do. And nobody in the business, and I mean nobody, goes the extra mile like Affordable Mobility Solutions to show you exactly what you're getting. We've got detailed videos, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and a great reputation to go along with it. So let me get this van out on the highway so you can hear it run. Oh, before I do that, we test the big and the small. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks. You're gonna notice, if you've been out car shopping, whether it be Facebook, Craigslist Marketplace, or some of these other dealers, they've got a, they don't tell you the whole story. You get there, it's got a bunch of issues they didn't tell you about. Got a big dent in the door, like I said. Look, I'm too busy selling vans to do stuff like that. Got your little vent there. See the windows vent open? We've tested everything big and small on this van. We do not just throw them on the lot. We put a lot of effort, a lot of time, a lot of money making sure these vans are exactly what you expect them to be. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this van home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Steering wheel's nice and straight. No unusual vibration or noise in the steering or while driving. So all exactly what we want. With that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. I cannot promise what they're going to do tomorrow. I strongly recommend a very affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to like 8 years. Protect your investment. That's just what I tell people. Protect your investment. Also keep in mind, we've got a great reputation. Last I saw on Google, 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. On eBay, we have over 820 transactions. All of those with positive feedback. That's 820 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. So yeah, not all dealers are the same. Not all people selling are the same. Keep that in mind. Cruise control works. No problems there. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. They're just trying to get you to call. They're trying to get you to come in. They're trying to use their slick salesman tactics to get you in the door. And then, oh yeah, we got a $500 administrative fee. And then we got a dock fee. Then we got a tag fee. Then we got freight. And all these fees they tack on without telling you. And my point is, if a van says $30,000 on the internet or wherever, it should be $30,000. Obviously, you got to pay sales tax for Uncle Sam. But if it says 30 grand, it shouldn't be 31.5 after all the fees. So if someone's not being honest with you, if they're not telling you the real price up front, they're probably hiding something else from you, aren't they? If they're being deceitful off the bat, what are they hiding? The flood damage, an accident, mechanical issues, title issues, you know, I don't know. I just know if someone's not being straight and straight with me from the get-go, I don't trust them. So you do what you want, it's your money. But I'm gonna give it a nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And hey, if you want to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. Hey, I want you to call United Access or Mobility Works or Freedom Motors, a big VMI or a Braun company, and I want you to ask them, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Ask them. See what they say, because you've got my cell phone number. I'm here to help. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or your email. If you're not computer savvy, that's okay. Call us up. We'll take an application over the phone. We'll spend some time talking to you. We'll make sure we get you taken care of. To see our entire inventory with detailed videos, Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures, look us up. www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Yes, we do take trade-ins. Talk to me about that. I'll go over that with you. And I know you have a lot of options out there looking for mobility vans. Just wanted to sincerely thank you for checking out affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.